It's 10 above out. I keep turning my furnace up and it just does not want to warm up in here. So I'm going down the basement to investigate to see what the hell's going on here. It is so cold in here. I keep turning it up, keep turning it up, keep turning it up, and keep turning it up, and it just won't. It's cold down here too. Let's see, is this door open in here? No. I gotta see what the hell is going on here. I might have a... I already changed the filter, as you can see. Let's see here. What I gotta do is here. Where's that flash? I gotta make sure that this thing up here is working, because this is the fan control thing, and if that keeps kicking it off, it's gonna cause problems here. And it's not. Yeah, there's rust there, that's normal, but my fan's working. She's sucking in good air. Oh, this tripped up here. There. That's the sensor for the heat. Seems to be working. How's this control thing doing up here? It's running good. Oh, I can't take this off, it'll kick the burner off, but that's fine. I want to check it. You see the blower in there? Blower's still spinning, now it just stopped. So you just put that in. This is not safe to do, guys, so don't do this at home. Don't. Natural gas is dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Well, the control valve's working. The burners all look good. Let's see what's going on. Oh, now it's heating. Hot air's coming out. I see the thing was tripped up here. It was tripped. I might have to have them, have my neighbor, he fixes furnaces, have him come over. Oh yeah, see it's wet there. Rusty. Why is that now? I wonder if that thing's leaking up there. Alright, I'll have to have my neighbor come and fix it tomorrow. It's not a big deal. It's working now. Alright. Well guys, I thought I'd film something for you tonight, so I'm going to upload this to YouTube now. So, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on Twitter. I didn't know what else to post for a video. I did do a cold start on my Bobcat. I'll be uploading that tomorrow or the next day. But I want to see how long my furnace works here. This is a 75,000 BTU for my little house. It's just a tiny little house. It's a lot. See, is it still heating here? Oh yeah, it's hot now. Yep, solenoid's working. This is the solenoid here that pumps water into a filter and then blows it in the house. It's a humidifier. It's not really probably good for, that thing's warm, it's buzzing, that's the solenoid. It's not good for a furnace probably. She's still going, isn't she? Gotta make sure this is in there tight. Otherwise it'll kick it off. Okay. Put this back on. If you guys don't know what you're doing with natural gas or any gas products, I suggest you just call a furnace guy, because you do not want to be messing with this crap. I don't want to be responsible for injuries, because natural gas, well, natural gas isn't as bad as propane, but it's still dangerous. Propane will really blow you up. Natural gas will too, but propane's worse. My grandpa fixed furnaces for a living, so I learned how to fix them with him. So this furnace I could probably do myself. All I have to do is get that little sensor and then just plug the wires in. I'll just do it myself. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. I got my furnace fixed. Just tripped out the safety thing here for the exhaust. So, and it's blowing hot air out. So better pray it works for a while till tomorrow, because it's going to get very cold. Alright guys, take care and always have a good day.